Hello and welcome to RoJo Travel. So this is our helicopter ride out to the dog sleds. Now, if you've never been in a helicopter, this is definitely a must do. It is beautiful and it's just awesome flying through the mountains. So you can see as we're flying through here, it's just beautiful country back there. Now here you can see we're flying in. There's I think two or three of our helicopters coming in together. We're coming into a big valley over the hills, and that's the dog camp right there that we're all gonna get out and go take a ride. So here's some of the dogs getting ready to get on the sleds. That's our sled right there with our guide. We'll be getting on that. It's not traditional like you would think, but it's still pretty cool.